In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best hair trimmers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the hair trimmers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the hair trimmers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Xiaomi Mijia Hair Clipper 2. The Xiaomi Mijia Hair Clipper 2 is engineered for precision and comfort. Featuring a titanium alloy blade and powerful motor, it ensures sharp, efficient cuts with minimal pulling. Its rechargeable battery provides long-lasting use, while the ergonomic design offers a secure grip for effortless styling. Suitable for professional barbers and at-home users, it's a reliable trimmer built for performance and durability. Number 4. Kemei KM 1990 Hair Clipper. The Kemei KM 1990 professional hair clipper combines style and function with its durable metal body and LCD display. Designed for both barbers and home users, it features precision stainless blades, adjustable trimming lengths, and a powerful motor for smooth operation. Its rechargeable battery offers long runtime, making it ideal for professional haircuts, beard shaping, and detailed grooming with consistent performance. Number 3. Men's Electric Body Hair Trimmer. This men's electric body hair trimmer is designed for total body grooming with safety and efficiency. Its ceramic blades reduce skin irritation while providing a close, comfortable trim. Fully waterproof and rechargeable, it's ideal for both wet and dry use. With ergonomic handling and long battery life, it's a perfect grooming tool for chest, back, underarm, and private areas, delivering a clean look every time. Number 2. Youpin RIWA LED Hair Clipper. The Youpin RIWA Hair Clipper combines power, precision, and comfort. Equipped with a high-performance steel blade and LED display, it offers a smooth, snag-free trimming experience. Its washable design makes cleaning easy, and the strong motor ensures consistent cutting for both thick and fine hair. Perfect for men who want a professional haircut at home with durable, rechargeable convenience. Number 1. Sejoy Professional Hair Clipper Set. The Sejoy Professional Combo Kit delivers a complete grooming experience with precision and power. Its rechargeable cordless design ensures smooth operation, while the sharp stainless steel blades provide clean, even cuts for all hair types. Ideal for barbers and home users alike, it includes multiple guide combs, a long-lasting battery, and a powerful motor for professional-grade performance and versatility.